Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we were originally quoted $27,000 to build a custom pergola for our needs, but we were able to find one DIY on Amazon, put it together ourselves. If you didn't watch us put together this DIY pergola, you can check out the video of that, link below. The only thing is, this pergola does not come with lighting. So I'm going to show you how to install a light on your DIY pergola. So follow along. I purchased this light from a local home store, and then I took it down for the winter. So I'm gonna put it back up now that it's spring and I want light again and I'm not too worried about the wind. So I'm just gonna use a zip tie. You can use anything. So we're gonna zip tie this on here, but first you're gonna have to create tension on a cable with some hardware. So we can link the supplies that we use to do this down below, but you just need something to create tension on the sides of the pergola with a cable and some appropriate hardware, some turnbuckles, so you attach it and then you can slowly tighten it to get it to the tension that you need. So in order to hang a light, you're gonna need some hardware. So I would get turnbuckles. You could just clamp that on there and then tighten it to whatever tightness you want so you can suspend lighting in the middle of your pergola. And really, there's not like a right or wrong for this. It's just kind of whatever you want. I like zip ties because they're easy. And then I can take it down when I need to just by snipping it. So just zip tie this on here, insta light, fish it over to the side, and boom, lit pergola.
We get asked a lot, how do you connect the actual lights, like the string lights we're using? What are those?
These are gutter hangers for Christmas lights. So we have several sets of these over the years. We're reclaiming them for this purpose, for cable management. And then I actually just used a piece of old metal that was a plant hanger to connect it to the side of the house as well. So really just whatever you have around, but there's a couple products that are on Amazon as well. We can link in the description here, just so that you have some way to just manage it and get it out of the way. I think I made it shorter last time. It's too short.
Yeah, I think we plugged it in there.
Great reaches.
So while Noelle is working on plugging things in, I wanted to share some news. We just wrapped up completely redoing our deck. We tore the deck down to its studs and rebuilt it board by board. So this pergola is sitting on a brand new Epay deck that we actually did ourselves and for a lot lower cost than you'd imagine. Check out how we scored the wood for a ridiculously low deal and how you can also redo your deck yourself. So here are those Christmas light hangers that you use for your gutters. So there's a slot that you could put them in the posts of the pergola and then just hang your string lights. So we've got string lights, the outlet coming up to the top of your roof, your gutters, and then connect that over right there. And we have them bouncing on the edge, outside edge. And then eventually they end on your gutter over here. So that's how you can do string lights to give the outdoor effect. And this light is more of a spotlight, almost kind of like a disco ball.
Chandelier.
A chandelier. We'll show you video of it at nighttime to get the full effect. We just added this hot tub area to our deck. This is one of our projects in our outdoor oasis renovation. So if you want to see how you can build a hot tub into your deck and surround it with benches, check out this video here. If you're thinking about redoing the railing on your deck, I'd highly recommend a cable rail system. The one that you see here is actually a DIY friendly system from Cable Bullet. Check out this video if you're interested to see how you can pull off your own cable railing.
Right now it's just a set of posts, but this will be a cable rail to stop the 8-foot drop, well, probably 10-foot drop down from our deck.
Party up here. Yeah, Pepper! Pepper's starting the real party. Hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. All you need is white. All you need is white.
doors open.
Not being so crazy. You like it? Do you like it like that? So that's one way to install a light on one of these DIY pergolas. I'm sure there are many ways, but this is what worked for us. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe below and support our channel. Thanks.